थोड़ा सा टैंगी हो गया. I like it with the prawn better. चलो पेट पूजा करते हैं. Hi guys, welcome back to Times Foodie. So today we're back at one of our favorite spots, which is Dakshin, located at the Sheraton, New Delhi, a restaurant that has long been celebrated for bringing the rich culinary heritage of South India to the capital, and now in an upgraded, fresher space. Let's explore. The space has been beautifully refreshed, more contemporary in feel, yet still deeply rooted in tradition. From handcrafted wooden accents and carved pillars to Kanjivaram-inspired motifs, every corner celebrates the grandeur of South Indian heritage. Doesn't it instantly set the tone for a refined dining experience? Now let's move to our main mudda, the food.
This is Kodi Gajala, the Meen Varuval, and the Buttermilk is the Sampoornam Thali Non-Veg, and mandi, tomato papu, beans thoran, vegetable stew, sambar, steamed rice, biryani, mutton curry, there's raita, meen moli, royla vepudu, karur curry kulambu mutton.
चलो पेट पूजा करते हैं.
Starting off with the appam, soft and lacy, paired perfectly with vegetable stew loaded with coconut flavor. Next we are trying the royala veppuru, spicy prawns tossed to perfection.
I like it with the prawn better.
Then the meen moli, a Kerala style fish curry which is rich, creamy and bursting with coastal flavors. We also tried the Andhra style chicken biryani, fragrant, fiery and full of flavor. The chicken curry had just the right balance of spice and depth. Then came the karur curry kozamba, a hearty Tamil style mutton curry. This is beans thoran, a light coconutty side that adds freshness to the spread. Being a seafood lover, we made sure to try the Meen Varuval, crisp fried fish. To spice it up, we tried it with curry leaves and a squeeze of lemon.
थोड़ा सा टैंगी हो गया.
And of course, Kodi Gajala, a spicy Andhra chicken fry that's bound to be a favorite. Now to cool things down, a glass of buttermilk, refreshing and perfectly seasoned. And to end the South Indian feast, we tried a drink from their new menu, Manga Sarak, a mango-based cooler that's tangy, tropical and totally irresistible.
So Dakshin's new avatar feels more premium than ever, but the soul of its food remains untouched. If you're someone who appreciates authentic South Indian flavors with a fine dine flair, this is a space worth visiting. So now you tell us, which restaurant should we try next? Drop your recommendations in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie. Until then, bye.